Hi Vikram.
Hi.
We have with us Vikram from Game Change Solar, India's largest solar tracker firm. So Vikram, quick questions for you. You're at the REI, you're the largest firm. What's been happening at Game Change over the last few years?
Oh, the journey in Game Change has been very exciting last 4 years. We started here in way back in 2021 with the idea of creating a China plus one plus strategy for our supply base in India. However, we have seen a good amount of change in the adoption of tracker. Now, eventually, a lot of push from the PSU sector for technology adoption in terms of tracker. So, a lot of the PSU based tenders started coming in,
Okay.
and in 22 onwards, a good amount of tracker tenders getting floated, and then there's no turning back in terms of that. So today we are having a almost 15 gigawatt plus order book
Okay.
in tracker. So the journey has been exciting in India so far with this tracker. There are a couple of reasons for this adoption. First is definitely because of the land issues in India.
Right.
Tracker typically gives 10% lesser SUV compared to fixed steel. So naturally people will like to go for tracker. And more so, there was a bit of iota of doubt in people's mind earlier for the adoption of tracker. Tracker not being a resilient and reliable product.
Right.
However, because of the technology advancements, tracker is now it's a proven technology globally.
Sure.
So we have almost 50 gigawatt of racking system sold across globe. It's turning out to be a good space to be into.
So Game Change recently moved into transformers also. Tell us
Yes,
more
yes.
about that. Why is that?
So recently we have launched our transformer business, which is we have a factory with around 1.8 lakh square feet of area in Taloja, Mumbai, having a capacity to produce 2,000 transformers annually. As of now, the focus is going to be to produce the IDT transformers, and then probably eventually when we see we can move into the heavy duty transformers as well. Coming back to the question, what you asked, why? There's a huge demand supply gap in US for the transformers.
Okay.
So we thought why not to capture that opportunity as well, and hence we are into that space. Primarily the focus is going to be the US market, but nonetheless we are also ready to cater the Indian customers as well with the transformer business.
So Vikram, India is a very value conscious market as we like to call
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
And now we have this whole bunch of FDRE and RTC tenders happening.
Yeah.
So how is that helping tracker firms? A, is it pressure on you to keep costs down? And B, is there
Yes.
higher demand?
It's actually both. While the demand is also increasing, India being a capex intensive market, always pressure on the cost.
Right.
We have seen a good amount of dip in the tracker prices over the years. But coming to the question on the FDRE front, FDRE in tracker makes more sense for FDRE,
Sure.
right? Now, in case of tracker as opposed to fixed tilt, you get a flatter generation curve, which actually makes a good case for
Right.
FDRE to adopt the tracker systems. So yeah, that's how it is. But yeah, the customers are being more cost conscious in terms
Have
of
there been
tracker.
any significant innovations on the tracker front?
Yes, so
recently?
that's what So we have seen, like specific to India market, when we launched. So we entered India market 2021. Then we have the first product, which is 1R system. So when we have seen the market in India, a lot of expectations were there from customer point of view. How do we? There are multiple issues in India. Like you can't get a typical rectangular lands in India. The
Okay.
land shapes are very irregular.
Okay.
In order to mitigate that risk, also to keep a check on the cost front, we have launched a 2R system, a 2-row system, so which actually helps customers to, we can reduce the tracker's string size with the shorter tables, but we can have the dual row. With that, we can reduce our perimeter percent by 40%.
Okay.
So that again helps customers to bring the cost down. So a lot of innovations are happening to cater the India specific customers and their requirements.
And what's your order pipeline like right now in India?
So until so far we have done a 15 gigawatt of
Right.
business in India. Thankfully we have got almost 60% of our customer base is repeat customers.
Okay.
And yeah, so order pipeline looks to be very healthy at this point in time. We have recently concluded the a rough estimate for our next year annual planning. It looks like to be there could be around around 30-35 gigawatts of tractor
Right.
market overall in India. But we'll definitely like to be the number one player in that segment, as we
Great.
go along.
Thanks a lot, Vikram.
Thank you.